Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. You bought the Apple TV back in 2022. It was great for the first 6 months. Now Apple has something new ready, and the release date changes everything. Stay with me, because the next few minutes will tell you whether you should buy a streaming box right now or wait.
The current third-generation Apple TV 4K came out in October 2022.
Are you waiting for the new
It uses
Apple
that
TV Pro,
A15 chip
or are
with
you
only
thinking about buying a Roku? Drop a comment below. Let us talk about the big news. Apple is reportedly launching 2 brand new models very soon. We are looking at a standard Apple TV 4K and a massive new premium tier called the Apple TV 8K Pro. The current Apple TV 3rd generation runs on the A15 Bionic chip. That is the exact same chip from the iPhone 13. It is a 5-nanometer processor from all the way back in 2021.
We have to leave.
Because of this older hardware,
where do we go?
it simply cannot support Apple Intelligence. Over time, it lags, it crashes, it drops visual animations. This is not just a minor settings issue on your television. When you buy older hardware, the user interface will eventually stutter at 60 Hz. Even users on super-fast 150 megabits per second connections still face frustrating buffering issues. It feels like a total dead end. Right now, if you open Apple TV Plus after watching a video on YouTube, the app has to reload from scratch. You sit there waiting for 8 seconds every single time. That is your 4 gigabytes of RAM completely running out of headroom. But the upcoming models are going to fix all of that. Here is what the latest leaks are saying. First, multiple credible sources have confirmed that the new hardware is already finished. Bloomberg reporter Mark Gurman has stated directly that the new Apple TV is ready to ship. It has been sitting ready for months. So, why have we not seen it hit the store shelves yet? It is because Apple made a strategic call. They want to launch this new hardware with a much smarter Siri. That new Siri is deeply tied to Apple Intelligence, and the software was not quite ready for a spring 2026 release.
Find the latest
Now the launch
action
is targeting
movies starring
September
East Asian
2026.
actors.
This massive release will be directly tied to the new iOS 27 and the upcoming iPhone 18 launch cycle. The most consistently reported upgrade for this new box is the processor. At the very least, we will see the A17 Pro. This is Apple's first 3-nanometer chip, which was first introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro. It features a powerful 6-core CPU and a 6-core GPU. Crucially, it includes hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This will be the first time any Apple TV has ever supported that kind of intense graphics power. But here is where it gets really interesting. Because Apple delayed this release for so long, newer chips like the A18 or even the A19 Silicon are now on the table for the Pro model. The A17 Pro might just be the baseline for the standard unit. The new premium 8K Pro could carry the cutting-edge A19 Silicon Pro and a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM. For the standard model, we expect at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. That is double the current model. That is not just a random number to sound good. 8 gigabytes is the absolute minimum threshold required to run Apple Intelligence. Apple is also expected to include their custom N1 networking chip. This brings incredible connectivity upgrades. You will get full Wi-Fi 7 support. This gives you access to the 6 GHz band for much lower network congestion and incredibly fast throughput. The N1 chip also brings Bluetooth 5.3 and Thread border router capabilities. This is perfect for all your smart home devices that use the Matter protocol. Storage tiers are expected to stay familiar. We will likely see a 64 gigabyte model with Wi-Fi only. Then there will be a 128 gigabyte model featuring both Wi-Fi and a gigabit Ethernet port. This continues the exact structure of the current lineup. Think about the real-world performance difference. With 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM on the Pro model, your streaming apps will just stay open in memory. Switch back and forth between Netflix and YouTube, and it is instantly there. There will be absolutely zero reload time. Right now, if you are streaming a 4K Dolby Vision film, the current box occasionally stutters. This happens when your HomeKit automations fire in the background. Your smart lights adjust, or your sensors report data, and your movie drops a frame.
Now that you're settled,
The
let's begin
A19
today's
Pro chip
flow.
has an advanced
Stand
neural
tall.
engine. It
Inhale
handles all
deeply
those background smart
and
home
raise your
tasks
arms.
in dedicated silicon.
Almost crashed there.
It will never touch or interrupt your video
Ha!
stream.
Suck it. I'm
Let us
taking the
talk
lead
about
now.
gaming. You fire up a
Not if
game
I
on
can help
Apple
it.
Arcade.
Search
The new
for the
Apple
new
TV
season
Pro
of
has
that
hardware ray
baking show
tracing.
on Netflix.
You will see real-time shadows and console-quality lighting right on your television screen. The graphical gap between a simple Apple arcade game, and your PlayStation 5 just got a lot smaller. Then there is the new Siri. Right now, if you ask Siri to find something funny based on what you watched last weekend, it usually fails. It just searches the App Store for random words. With Apple Intelligence running on tvOS 27, everything changes. Siri will actually check your personal viewing history.
But where do we go?
It will understand conversational context. It will actually recommend something highly relevant to your taste. That is not just a fun little feature. That massive leap in artificial intelligence is the entire point of the delay. Let us talk about the price. The current Apple TV 4K costs $129 for the 64GB Wi-Fi model. It costs $149 for the 128GB model with Ethernet. The famous analyst Ming-Chi Kuo recently flagged a sub-$100 price as the ideal sweet spot for the next model. However, that is very hard to believe. You are getting double the RAM, a much newer chip, and the brand new N1 networking silicon. The premium 8K Pro model will likely sit between $120 and $150. Here is the honest cost-benefit analysis. You get double the RAM. You get a massive generational leap in processing power. You get native Apple Intelligence
Search for the
support.
movie,
You get
The
Wi-Fi,
Lost City.
7 hardware ray tracing, and a smarter Siri that actually works. If the new model lands at $149,
All right, everyone,
you are
let's get
essentially
started
buying
with a
4
quick
years of
warm-up.
premium
Feel
Apple
the energy.
TV functionality for less than the cost of a single month of a premium cable bundle. The math clearly works out. The upgrade absolutely justifies itself. So, here's my final question for you.
Hold
Are you still
strong in
rebooting your
Warrior 2.
2022 Apple TV every single
And on
week?
your next
Is the
exhale,
lack
begin
of
to
memory
shift
hitting your daily
weight
workflow?
forward into triangle
Does having ray
pose.
tracing graphics on a streaming
and
box
it's good.
actually matter
What
to
a
you?
goal!
The key takeaway here is simple.
High
The 2026 Apple
That was
TV is not
amazing.
just a minor specification bump.
That looks interesting.
It is a massive 4-year hardware correction.
Click on that one.
You are jumping from the old A15 all the way to the A17 or A19 Pro. The memory is doubling or tripling. You get the smartest AI features Apple has ever made for the living room.
You mean to
Everything
tell me
lands in
after all
September
this time,
2026.
you still haven't
Apple
learned how
just
to
needs to
dance?
make sure the
I
Siri
was
upgrade
waiting for
actually
you to
works
teach
exactly
me,
as
my
promised.
dear.
In my honest opinion, waiting for the September 2026 release is a complete no-brainer. The current 2022 model is simply too old
Your
to
Apple
invest
TV
in
4K
right now,
is getting old.
as
It
will
has been
completely
3.5
miss out
years
on the
since this
Apple
design took
Intelligence
over our living
revolution.
rooms. Inside it
The
sits the
upcoming
A15
8K Pro
Bionic
model
chip.
sounds like an absolute powerhouse.
Look at that huge fish
It
we
will
caught.
easily serve as a casual gaming console
that
and the
day.
ultimate smart
That was
home
a
hub
fun
that
trip,
never slows
wasn't
down
it?
your movie nights.
And here's the beach shot.
If you want a device that will comfortably last you until 2030 without a single stutter, hold your money until
remember the roller
September.
coaster next.
If you like the video,
There I am.
subscribe,
I caught
share
that
the video,
fish.
and hit the bell
No, you
icon.
didn't.